What number should be subtracted from the sum of 2 whole number 1 over 6 and 2 whole number 7 over 12 to give 3 whole number 1 over 4? These are the options that you get from solving this question, and this is question number 8 for the objective part of the West Africa SSC 2021 examination. I want us to solve them together. I am Andy and this is New Track Mathematics Videos. Now let's get straight into the solutions to this question. Now remember, it's a question on word problem and you are asked to find the number that will be gotten if this is that we subtracted from the sum of this and this to give what? This. Now let's write the question out. Remember, we have the sum of 2 whole number 1 over 6 plus what? 2 whole number 7 over 12. Let's assume that number to be what? To be x, because we are looking for the number that should be subtracted from the sum of this and this to give us what? 3 whole number 1 over what? 4. So you see, we've assumed that that value is what? The value is x. Now, in any word problem you are given, all you need to do is to assume that missing value to be a letter. It can be y, it can be x, it can be z, it can be whatever you have chosen. Now, let's look at how we can simplify this. To simplify this, we are going to have 6 times 2 to give us 12. That will give us 13 over what? 6, because 12 plus 1 will give you 13, plus this times this, 12 times 2 will give us 24. 24 plus 7 will give us 30 what? That will give us 31. So that will give you 31 over what? 12 minus x divided by 1 equal to what? 3 times 4 will give us 12. 12 plus 1 will give us 13 over what? Over 4. Right? Now let's go further to reduce this further. Now take note of something, that all these have the same denominator. If we want to go on solving this, using the longer form method, we want to start looking for LCM, but that is a long process of solving this question. We want to look for a shorter process of solving this question, and the shorter process is to multiply all the fractions in this question by the what? By the largest denominator. So we will now multiply through. We will now multiply through by what? The largest denominator is what? Is 12. Good. And see what will happen after that. We'll have our 13 over 6 multiplied by 12 plus what? 31 over 12 multiplied by 12 minus what? X over 1 multiplied by 12 equal to what? Equal to 13 over 4 multiplied by what? By 12. Now 6 here will give us 1. 6 here will give us 2, right? Let's go straight, because 6 times 2 will give us 12. 12 will cut what? 12. Now this times this will give us that, will give us 12x. Then 2 here 1, 4 here 1, 4 here will give us what? 3. So you see, we've reduced everything. We are going to have what? This times this will give us what? 26. 13 times 2 will give us what? 26 plus 31 minus 12x equal to what? 13 times 3 will give us what? 30 what? 39. Now you see, we've reduced this into a very straight what? Into a very straight equation. Now this will have what? 26 plus what? 31 minus what? 12x equal to what? 30 what? 9. Now let's add this. That will give us what? This plus this will give us what? 50 what? 57 minus what? 12x equal to what? 39. So minus 12x will be equal to plus 57 goes this way will give us what? 39 minus what? 57. Now 39 minus 57, we won't say it's not possible, but rather it's going to give us a negative what? Value, and that will give us minus what? Minus 18 equal to what? Minus what? 12x. So you see, minus will have to go with what? Minus. So we'll divide both sides by what? Divide both sides by 12. So that will give us 12x divided by 12 equal to what? 18 divided by what? 12. 12 will cut what? 12. We'll have our x to be equal to what? 18 divided by what? By 12. We are gradually getting to the solution to the end of this question. Now you see that we have to reduce this value. Now 2 is possible. 2 will go here to give us what? 6, right? And 2 will go here to give us what? 9, because 9 times 2 is 18. So that will now give us 9 over what? 6. 3 will go here to give us 2, right? 3 will go here to give us what? To give us 3. So that will give us what? 3 over what? Over 2. So if we want to simplify this further, this will be a fraction of what? 1 over what? One whole number, 1 over 2. Because 2 times 1 will give us 2, plus 1 will give us 3. So our solution will be what? 1 and the what? And the half. That's the right option. So you see, word problem questions like this are just questions through which you can use to get the easiest mark from questions like this in this examination. For linkage for more of these videos and the way through which you can join our large community, check the description section of this video, and I look forward to seeing you watch our subsequent solutions to 2021 West Africa SSC exams. Expect the hard copy, PDF copy, combined copy of this solution to 2021 and 2020 West Africa SSC question, which you can download with just a little token. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, I say hit the subscribe button now, and we look forward to seeing you in our subsequent videos.